Some machines are built to move, but a rare few are built to perform, to slide, to dance. But what? To carve their own signature on the ground. Today, we dive deep into the world of drifting. Tinto, 5 RC beasts, each with their own attitude. Their own roar. Their own identity. Welcome to the ultimate drift arena. Let the smoke rise. And the engines speak. One Night Wolf. The Shadow Drifter. 3-5. Asset emerging first. From the dark side of the track. The Night Wolf. Flexible PVC shell. Multi-LED eyes glowing through the night. And a 20 km/h sprint that slices through air like a neon blade. It doesn't just drift. It stalks every turn, every slide. Feels like the wolf is claiming its territory. A perfect beast for first-time drifters stepping into the shadows. Cheetah, Flare, Burnout, Gray. The Street Brawler. 4. A speech next comes Raw Muscle. Yen. The Flare, Burnout, Gray. A 4-Byabuti Street Brawler built for aggression. Yeti, boost mode kicks in like an instant adrenaline rush. Hard shell on top. Grip on all 4 wheels. And headlights ready to cut through the smoke. This one doesn't wait for permission. It hits the turn, grabs the road, and pulls the drift whether you're ready or not. Burnout Gray isn't here to drift. It's here to challenge you. Three, Dash Mini RC. The Desk Demon. 4. Now shrink the world down to the size of your desk. Meet Dash the Desk Demon. 1/64 scale. Tiny in form, massive in performance. Interchangeable sleeves, glowing lights, dual speed personality. Dash turns any tabletop into a drift circuit. One slide. It tick out and you're hooked. Fast, playful, dangerously fun. This is drifting at its purest. 16 watts. 4 Flare, Track White. The Clean Cutter, feet 3.5. 4th on the list. The Flare Track White. Same brutal power as the Burnout Gray, but refined, sharper, cleaner. Like a blade carved for racing. 4WD grip, boost mode punch, and a design that screams track heritage. Where the Burnout Gray is chaos, Track White is precision. Every drift is smooth, controlled, measured, like it was engineered for perfection. Of LOT Toys Nitro Mini. The Blue Bullet. 4.6. And at the top, the king of the minis, the Blue Bullet. LED lit body, 2 speed modes, ridiculously smooth desk drifts. The Nitro Mini doesn't try to impress, it just does. It glides like water, spins like silk, and responds like a machine that knows exactly what you want. It's small, but it's the most rated, most loved, and the most dangerous contender in the Mini League. 5 machines, 5 styles, 5 stories. Whether you're into full-speed street battles or desk-sized drift artistry, one of these is calling your name. All purchase links are waiting for you in the description. Support the channel, join the journey, and together, let's build the drift culture one slide at a time. This is Sprinters XD, and this was only the beginning.